it's definitely a little tight, especially like T3, T4. Nice and gentle, just kind of relax. Good. Wow. Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Great. Good. All right, whole body face me over here. Curve just the top. This arm. Just like that. Good. Shoulder back. Wow. Face up for me.